Okay, hello everyone. So in this very short tutorial video, I'm just going to show you how you can install the second WordPress website in your Cloudways server. Okay, or even the third, fourth, fifth, or sixth website. Okay, so currently I have two servers, this server and this server. So for you, most likely there will be only one server. So go to the respective server and you can see there's a more selection over here, the three dots. Click on it and one of the options here that says add application. So just click on add application. Select application. If you want to install a WooCommerce website, just select this one. If not just a normal WordPress website, just select WordPress version 6.0. Give it a name, okay, and select your project and click add application. So after you click add application, then the WordPress website will be created under the same server. Okay. Then as usual, when you click this, you can go to that new website over here and you can see all the WordPress login details here as usual, similar as before. Okay. So what I want to share with you here is that you can add a lot of application under the same server without paying additional. Because more application doesn't cost you more money. But however, if you add server, it will cost you more money because each server will cost you a minimum $10 depending on which location or which server specification you select. Okay, so take note, adding server will cost you additional money, but adding application to the server will not cost you additional money. So I hope that this will help you understand more about application and server in Cloudways context. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments and I'll see if I can help you out with. Okay, thank you.